Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all enjoyed the 3-part series on how to use Sales Navigator. Now today's video is going to be something that kind of discusses one of the main errors that people do when it comes to LinkedIn outreach, and also separates out the two different types of outreach, I guess, that you can use. So you've got low touch and high touch outreach. So the difference between these two is low touch is when you are liking, commenting, sharing someone's posts, short messages, stuff like that. Then you've got high touch, which is a long sales message which should be saved for people that you have already had an engaged conversation with. Now, the mistake that a lot of people make, and I am speaking from experience because when I first started out on LinkedIn, this is what I did for a couple of weeks until it became evidently clear that it wasn't the right way to be using LinkedIn and the right way to be speaking to people off the bat. So I used to send a really long sales message as the first engagement. So this person hadn't even said hi back to me yet, or they might have said hi and that's it. And then I'm like, boom, this is my service. This is how much I charge. Like, do you want to jump on a call? Obviously, no. I had a few conversions from that, but they were low quality conversions. They were people that were time wasters. They wanted like a free consultation. They didn't even have the budget, or they just were like those open networkers that just will talk to anybody. So I would think like, oh my God, amazing, I've got the sales call, but they just weren't qualified because I was basically just begging for business. I wasn't setting myself any standards. I was just kind of trying to pitch everybody and get everybody onto a call, which is a waste of time, and it's probably good to practice when you first start out. But I quickly learned that a lot of people just get sick of it. They're just like, no, I'm not interested. They'll remove you as a connection, they'll ignore you, or they'll tell you to stop messaging them. So I made this mistake for a long time, and I hadn't made the separation between low touch and high touch. And obviously I was going in using high touch at the wrong part of the sales process. So I was trying to use high touch at the very beginning when I should have saved that for when the customer had engaged with me, had shown that they were interested, and then still at that point you don't mention price. You just try and get them onto a call in a polite way through showing value first and them saying like they want more information, and then scheduling that call at the appropriate time. That's going to be different for every single person that you speak with. But I wanted to distinguish the difference. I like to use low touch as a way to open towards high touch. So I'll use low touch in the form of the ECCC method. I know I've mentioned this in other videos. If you still don't know what I'm talking about, definitely go and watch the free case study. It's free. So you just need to watch it and then just screenshot the slides about the ECCC method so you can start implementing that into your outreach strategy. I would use low touch, which is kind of like the ECCC method, where you are liking, commenting, engaging with people's content, just having genuine conversation with them. It's nothing to do with sales, it's just sharing and providing value, vice versa. So using that low touch to then engage with somebody, open that conversation, and then guiding them down the sales path, qualifying them through the questions that you're asking to figure out if they're even a good prospect. And if they are and they're ticking all the boxes, then you can see if they're putting their hand up and saying, yes, I'm interested. Obviously sometimes they won't say that, you've got to read in between the lines. Then moving on to the high touch, so sending them a longer message. It could be in the form of an actual written message, or in the form of a video audit where you go on to pitch them for the sales call at the end of that video, kind of like that. So this was, kind of a short video, but I wanted just to distinguish the difference and shout out that you shouldn't be using high touch at the start of a conversation. Use low touch, like, comment, share people's content, engage with them first, and then use those longer messages when that prospect asks for it, instead of just shoving it down their throats. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.